Yo, what's up guys? Eldridge here. Welcome back to Peterman Valley. I'm very excited for this one. I've been really anticipating this one for a very long time. I'm just stoked to get started here because I might have done a thing. I did a little bit of a thing, and that thing is right behind me. This is the Realspace Magellan Performance Collection Electric Height Adjustable Desk. Basically a standing desk. This is the very first standing desk that I've ever had. And I'm excited because I've never actually personally owned one of these. I've always had standard size desks. I got this guy from Office Depot, just got back, and I'm ready to unbox him, get him open, get him set up, and get him going. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I just can't wait. So by all means, let's go ahead and begin to crack this guy open. So here we go, we're gonna start with the unboxing. This guy's big. So I'm gonna start from the side and just kind of use my knife to chop down the sides. This thing was incredibly heavy. I mean, wow, this is something that you definitely want to have a team lift. You know, you want to have two people haul this thing because it is super heavy. It actually says team lift on the box. So it's highly recommended if you buy this to get some help. I mean, I know some of you guys are like the Incredible Hulk, so it's not a big deal for you. I pretty much had to walk this guy in. It's something that you really would want to have some assistance getting in because it is heavy and there are electronic parts on the inside, so you don't want to drop it and end up breaking something. The last thing you want is to have to open the packaging and it's all broken. I should have gotten a bigger knife. That would have probably helped. Just a little bit. They don't make it easy. They really don't. This is not like your typical iPhone unboxing. I'm gonna try to make it easier on myself here and just actually cut the box open instead of trying to pull it out of it. All right. Wow. Take a look at that. I'm gonna move them up here so you can get a closer look. So this is the Expresso finish. Normally I'm a white and silver guy. This is kind of like a dark brown. So this is the Expresso color here. I like it, I'm digging it. I wanted to go with something that contrasts from everything else on the setup, so that's why I went with this, and I'm liking it. Here we go, let's do some more. All right, so we've got the main surface unboxed. We've got a lot to unpack here. So let's just get started here. So this is the first part. This obviously looks like it goes on the ground. So you kind of stand it up and then you were to attach some things here on top of it. All right, now we're getting down to the fun stuff. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh my God. Okay. So at the store, at Office Depot, the representative did tell me that it does come with plugs that you can plug things in under the desk, and that's what this is. Essentially, this is like a hub where you can plug different devices in. You can use it to plug your monitors. He did say it's really to power some of the motorized components that causes the lift and the descent, but you can plug other things. It has extra plugs, and it also has USB port. And an Ethernet port. Oh, this is a lifesaver. Very nice. So this is gonna basically mount under the surface of the desk. I'm assuming, like, you know, the plug's gonna be facing where the chair is. And then I guess you'll have, or you can actually do it like this. So you can have it to where, or, you know, however orientation you want. I have to figure out how it works, but this is cool. This is what I'm talking. See, this is what I like. This is the exciting part of the desk because you get to have electronics built in to help you work better. So, okay, here we go. I feel like I'm lifting Thor's hammer. Mjolnir, I am worthy. Actually, it's more like Stormbreaker. This is like a lot. So this is going to be the other part. So we've got a power cord here, is one of your standard power cords, and I believe it's probably to plug into this section here. Yeah, to plug here into the electronic part. So this is probably what's going to be powering everything. Yeah. So I'm already looking at where everything is kind of going. They did color code them, so the yellow code goes into the yellow sticker, and then you would plug it into this like that. And then the red, there's a red one as well. The red one is a much shorter cord. I don't know if the cords pull out, but yeah, that's pretty much how that works. And then you've got this guy, which is basically the actual switch that you can create your presets and actually press the buttons to raise and lower the desk. So you got the power button to turn on the motor, you got the up and downs, and then you've got the first preset, the second preset, and then this is if you press it, it goes all the way up to the max height, and then you press it down to go down to the lowest height. And these are the feet. So the feet, this is actually going to kind of stand like this, and then you'll have the midsection there. So this is actually probably upside down. Yeah, this is upside down. So this will probably stand, kind of do like one of these, and then the actual top of the desk sits on it, and then I would just kind of do one of these guys, and then plug it in, and then this actually plugs it. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. This would plug into the top. So that is kind of how that's gonna go. One thing I also want to mention, when I bought this at Office Depot, it does come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. It is a limited warranty, and it covers any of the internals that would go down. So if the motor stops, or there's any type of issue with the hydraulic system, you can actually get your full refund, or you can get a full, like your money back, or you can get, you know, like a replacement. So he did say that it automatically comes with that with the purchase. You can get the additional warranty. I believe it's like 3 years through Office Depot, but you don't have to. It's kind of your choice to get that. I think it's like 69 bucks for that one for 2 years, and then it's 89 for 3. But don't quote me on that. Okay, so that's pretty much the entirety of the unboxing experience. Just everything pretty much covered in styrofoam. It's a big box. I measured it to be about 63 or to 65 inches long, and it's pretty heavy. So get some assistance to try to get it open and to get all the components out. So I'm gonna set this up, and we're gonna see what it looks like put together. That little port there, it looks just like Ethernet. It's not Ethernet. It's actually the little power for the little switch here. So, but you still do have your USB ports, so that works. So, looks pretty good so far. I just have to screw down the actual metallic pieces, the big heavy boys, to the main surface. All right, she's done. All right, so we have completed the project. Wasn't too bad, and so we got this on here. And so apparently in order to get it started, you turn on the control box first, and then, oh, there it is, the power's on. You gotta hold the power for 5 seconds. And now it's green, and then we're gonna hold the all the way down to the, like with the line here. Gotta hold this for 5 seconds, and then it'll move. And this is how you reset it initially before you get started. She's going up. Bum 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 ba da bum bum. Okay, so this is actually the up button, and that's the down button. So I actually had to press this one to reset it. So now it's resetting. I just have to flip this upside down and screw it the right way. I think it's upside, yeah, it's upside down. Actually, yeah, this is supposed to come up to the surface here. I just have to flip it upside down. All right, so that's pretty much all for the unboxing and overall setup experience for the Realspace Magellan Performance Collection standing desk. Obviously, I have to now use it, and I will be able to give you guys my overall view, you know, using it and actually putting the motors to real-time use with an actual workspace and an actual scenario. But I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to set one of these up. Actually wasn't that difficult, but just had to get all of the mechanical components aligned up and then make sure the actual base, the legs and feet are pretty much sturdy, because this is a heavy guy. So if you guys enjoyed this, please drop a like on it. If you want me to do a review of what it's like to basically use this guy, if it's worth buying, let me know. I'll make a follow-up video to this. And yeah, I'm really excited to finally get my first standing desk situation going on. And this is actually much bigger than my current desk, so I have a lot of more workspace. So really excited, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, that's all for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.